Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And a very big hello to everyone listening today. I'm David. It's really nice to be here with you.
It's really nice to be here, too. And David, you look very happy today.
Do I? Well, thank you. I feel happy. Maybe it's the coffee, or maybe it's the New Year feeling.
Ah, yes, that New Year feeling. Fresh, clean, full of hope.
Exactly, like a new notebook with empty pages.
I love that idea. Empty pages, and we can write anything.
Anything at all. And that actually connects very well to our topic today.
Yes, it does. So, everyone, today we're going to talk about something very exciting and very useful.
We're going to talk about how to talk about your 2026 plans in English.
Your plans, your dreams, your ideas for the future.
And don't worry, we'll use simple English, slow English, natural English.
Like two friends talking.
Exactly, just like this.
Before we start, David, how was your morning today?
Thinking then smiling. It was pretty good. I woke up a little early.
Oh, early for you?
Yes, early for me means 6:30.
That is early.
I made some coffee, strong coffee. Then I looked outside.
And?
It was quiet, very quiet. No cars, no noise.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. It made me think about the year ahead.
Already thinking about 2026?
Yes, I do that a lot in January.
Me too. I think many people do.
So let's start very slowly. When we talk about plans, what does that mean?
Good question. Plans are things you want to do in the future.
Yes, they can be big or small.
Very big, like changing your job.
Or small, like learning to cook one new dish.
And when we talk about 2026 plans, we're talking about next year.
The future. Not now, not yesterday. The future.
David, can I ask you something?
Of course.
When someone asks you, what are your plans for 2026? How do you usually feel?
Sometimes excited, sometimes a little nervous.
Nervous?
Yes, because plans can change.
That's very true.
And sometimes I'm not sure yet.
And that's okay.
Yes, that's very important. You don't need to know everything.
Let's help our listeners with some very simple sentences first.
Good idea.
Okay, here's a very simple sentence. In 2026, I want to...
That's a great one.
For example, in 2026, I want to travel more.
Or in 2026, I want to improve my English.
In 2026, I want to improve my English.
That's a good one for this channel.
Yes, it is.
Let's say it again slowly. Okay.
In 2026, I want to... Simple, easy, useful.
And you can change the end.
You can say,
In 2026, I want to get a new job.
or
In 2026, I want to save more money.
natural English.
Now, David, what is one thing you want to do in 2026?
Okay, I'll say it slowly. In 2026, I want to be healthier and happier.
That's a great plan.
Thank you. I want to walk more. I want to eat better food.
Less pizza?
Yes, less pizza, more vegetables.
Teasing. That sounds very serious.
Grins. I'll try.
So, listeners, did you hear that?
She said, I want to.
Very common, very useful.
Now, let's talk about another simple way.
Okay.
You can also say, in 2026, I plan to.
Yes, plan to is also very common.
It sounds a little more organized.
Yes, like you have a calendar.
For example, in 2026, I plan to move to a new city.
Or in 2026, I plan to study English every day.
That's a strong plan.
David, do you use plan to often?
I do, especially when I'm talking about work.
Oh?
Yes, for example, in 2026, I plan to start a new project.
That sounds very professional. But want to is more personal.
Exactly. Now, let's slow down again.
Okay.
For beginners, remember this. I want to equals your wish, your feeling.
Plan to equals something you think about more seriously.
But both are correct.
Yes, don't worry too much.
Let's add a little emotion now.
Emotion is good.
Sometimes people say, I'm excited to.
Ooh, that's a good one.
For example, I'm excited to travel in 2026.
Or I'm excited to start something new in 2026.
That sounds very hopeful.
Can I share a small story?
Of course, I love stories.
A few years ago, someone asked me about my plans.
Uh-huh.
And I said, I'm excited to change my life next year.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, very big.
And did you?
Some things changed, some things didn't.
That's very honest.
But the excitement helped me try.
That's a great lesson.
So, listeners, you can say,
I'm excited to.
and then add your plan.
Now, let's talk about when.
Time words.
Yes, very important. You can say in 2026.
You can say next year.
You can say next year in 2026.
All are okay.
For example, next year I want to learn something new.
Or in 2026, I plan to travel.
David, which one do you use more?
I usually say next year.
Me too. It sounds more natural.
Very natural.
Let's practice a full sentence.
Okay.
Okay, pause, then speak clearly. Next year, I want to focus on myself.
Nice sentence.
Thank you.
I'll try one. Next year, I plan to spend more time with my family.
Oh, that's very sweet. Now, let's talk about something important.
What's that?
Sometimes we are not sure about our plans,
Ah, yes, very common.
and that's okay.
Very okay.
So, what can we say when we're not sure?
Good question.
We can say, I'm not sure yet, but,
That's perfect.
for example, I'm not sure yet, but I want to travel more in 2026.
Or, I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about changing my job.
Very honest English.
I use that a lot,
Me too.
especially when people ask big questions.
Like, what are your plans for the future?
Yes, that question.
Let's do a little role play.
Okay, let's do it.
Smiles acts curious. David, what are your plans for 2026?
Thinking, then answering slowly. In 2026, I want to be healthier and happier.
Smiles, nods. That's a great answer.
Thank you.
Listeners, did you hear that?
He didn't sound stressed.
He didn't sound perfect.
He sounded human.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about dreams.
Dreams are fun.
Dreams are plans too.
Big plans.
You can say, one of my dreams for 2026 is,
Ooh, I like that.
for example, one of my dreams for 2026 is to live near the ocean.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you.
I'll try. One of my dreams for 2026 is to write a book.
Really?
Maybe, someday.
Smiles. That's exciting. Dreams don't need to be realistic.
Exactly.
They just need to be yours.
Well said.
Now, let's slow down and repeat some key phrases.
Good idea.
In 2026, I want to.
Next year, I plan to.
I'm excited to.
I'm not sure yet, but
One of my dreams for 2026 is. Nodding. Very useful phrases.
let's add a little small talk.
Small talk makes it natural.
Yes,
You can say, so, do you have any plans for next year?
very common.
And you can answer simply,
Like, nothing big yet.
or, I'm still thinking.
Or, I just want to relax more.
That's a popular one.
David, do you remember a year when you had no plans?
Talking. Yes, after college.
Really?
Yes. People asked me, "What are you going to do?"
And
I said, "I don't know yet."
and that was okay.
It was scary, pauses, but also free.
I understand that.
So, listeners, don't feel pressure.
English is not about pressure.
It's about communication.
Sharing your thoughts.
Now, let's talk about short answers.
Short answers are very natural.
Someone asks, "What are your plans for 2026?"
You can say, I want to grow,
Or, "I want a fresh start."
or just to be happy.
Smile softly. Very human answers.
You don't need long sentences.
Short is okay.
Simple is okay.
Mistakes are okay.